Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 1st, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And this one will be the last puzzle for today. It's a JigsawSudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7375. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Yeah, 14. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box, contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, can be a 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this triple box for number 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the same area. So it should be a 4. Alright. We go here to this triple box. This box can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 and more. This box should be a 4. Alright, do we have more triple boxes? No. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Yeah, another quadra box. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. We have more? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Rotated. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6, Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These, oh wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. How about these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Right. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. Because we have a double 1 there. And here can also not be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. Alright, and now. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2, because we have a double 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be here. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Wow. I need to think here, These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box should be also a 3. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If we place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4 is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 3. But also this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Okay. Let me see. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Go up. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. Come on. What's happening? This box can be 3. Can be 1. Can be 5, 2 and a 4. Well. 1. Need a 2 here. 2, 1, 2. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 and a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Well. Come on. 1, 4, 5, 2, or a 3. Here. I need to think hard here. 3 and the 4. Well. 1, 2, 5. Let me put some numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box. Will be so 2 and a 3. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there, but also it can be a 1. So 1 digit left in this quadra box should be the 4. So the other numbers should be the 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Not a solution to place the 3 here. The only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, let me mark those. Right, and now. Well. 3 and a 5, okay. No 3, 4 and a 5. Come on. This is taking too long. No 2 here, 2. The 1 here. 1, 3, 5. No. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me here. Come on. 3 and a 4. Yeah. 4, 5, 1, 2, or 3. 1, 3. 2, need a 2 here, need a 4 here. Well, this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. Could be everywhere. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Ah, overlook this one. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here. So no 1 there. 1 should be in the 2 goes in there. Overlooked, overlooked. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I mark those 2 boxes together with a 1, we have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. This box can be 3. This box can be 3. Oh, those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated a 5. So the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated 1. So the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. These 2 boxes, oh, yeah, no. Interesting. 1, well, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there, can be 5, we have a double 5 there, yeah, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and a 2, 4 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 2. So around the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be here. And I've eliminated the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. But it's not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute. No, see you tomorrow. Yeah, this was the last puzzle. See you tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.